In this video, I will show you how to disable recent files in File Explorer Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It helps us a lot and keeps us motivated to make more useful videos like this for you guys. So let's dive in. Okay, first of all, what you have to do, just go on the search bar. Now here, type File Explorer. Now open it. Okay, from here, go on these three dots on top. As you can see, click on it. Now click on options. Okay, as you can see, now under privacy, uncheck all these boxes. Uncheck all these boxes. Show recently used files. Show frequently used folders. Show files from office.com. Uncheck all this and also clear File Explorer history. Now after that, click on OK. That's it. That's how you can disable recent files in File Explorer Windows 11. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.